Let me ask you something. Imagine this. You wake up one morning and everything is gone. Your job, your money, your title, your position, all gone. The accounts are empty. Your office is closed. Your reputation doesn't matter anymore. Who would you be? Not what would you do, not what would you say, but who would you be really? Would you still believe in yourself? Would you still wake up with purpose? Would you still have direction? Or would you feel like everything is over? Here is the truth. Most people don't know. They confuse their salary, their job title, their status with who they really are. I remember a friend, let's call him James. He was a top manager at a big company, drove a fancy car, and everyone respected him. Then, suddenly, the company downsized. He lost everything overnight. Money, title, even some friends. At first, he felt lost, like he was nothing. But slowly, he realized something powerful. He was still James, not the title, not the money, not the applause, just James. The same courage, the same values, the same mind that could rebuild. And rebuild he did. Because here is the thing. A job is something you do. Money is something you have. And a title is something people call you. But identity is who you are when all of that is gone. And if what you have disappears and you disappear with it, then you never really knew who you were. Look at how people introduce themselves. I am a manager. I am a business owner. I am a teacher. I am unemployed. But those are roles, not identity. Because roles can change. Money can disappear. Companies can close. Titles can be taken. So, if your identity is built on something that can change, then your life will always feel unstable. Let me ask you again. Who are you without money? Who are you without job? Who are you without a title? Because if everything goes silent, no applause, no recognition, no validation, what is left? What is left is the real you. Your mindset, your discipline, your character, your thinking, your courage, your values, your integrity, your ability to stand when life is hard, your ability to start again when things fall apart. That is identity. There are two ways to build your identity: from the outside or from the inside. The outside is money, status, titles, cars, followers, recognition. The inside is discipline, character, mindset, vision, responsibility, focus. The outside can impress people, but only the inside can sustain you. Because life will test you. Not when everything is working, but when things stop working. When money is low, when opportunities close, when people walk away, when things don't go as planned. That's when the real question shows up. Who are you now? Anyone can be confident when life is easy. Anyone can smile when things are working. But who are you when you must start again? Who are you when no one believes in you? Who are you when you fail? Who are you when you are alone? That is where identity lives. If you know who you are, you can lose everything and rebuild. But if you don't know who you are, even when you have everything, you are still lost. So don't spend your whole life building money and forget to build yourself. Don't spend your whole life chasing titles and forget your identity. Don't spend your whole life trying to impress people and forget to know yourself. Because one day, life may remove the things you depend on, not to destroy you, but to reveal you. And when that moment comes, may you not discover that your confidence was in your salary, your identity was in your job, and your value was in people's opinions. Instead, build yourself, build your mind, build your discipline, build your habits, build your thinking, build your character. Because identity can rebuild everything else. So, I leave you with this question one more time. If everything was taken away from you, your money, your job, your title, who would you be? If this message challenged you, then you are exactly where you need to be. This channel is not just about motivation. It is about transformation. It's about building the kind of person who can stand, who can think, who can lead, no matter what life takes away. So, if you are ready to build your mind, your discipline, and your identity, subscribe. Stay connected, because we are not just chasing success here. We are building people who can create it again and again and dominate wherever they go.